Imagine this. Your car is idling rough. The engine light suddenly comes on. Fuel economy drops for no obvious reason. You replace spark plugs, you clean the throttle body, you even change the air filter. But the problem doesn't go away. And here's the shocking truth. A tiny crack in a $5 rubber hose could be causing all of it. That tiny crack is called a vacuum leak, and it can silently ruin engine performance without most drivers even realizing it. But today, you're going to learn one of the most powerful diagnostic tricks mechanics use to find it instantly. It's called the smoke test, and once you see how it works, you'll never look at engine diagnostics the same way again. Vacuum leaks are one of the most frustrating problems to diagnose in modern cars. Why? Because they often hide in places you can't easily see. A hose behind the intake manifold, a cracked plastic fitting, a leaking gasket, and even a tiny leak can cause serious problems like rough idle, engine misfires, poor acceleration, high fuel consumption, and the dreaded check engine light. The problem is, most traditional methods rely on guessing. But there's a much smarter way. In this video, you'll learn what a vacuum leak actually is, why it causes so many engine problems, how mechanics use smoke to reveal hidden leaks, and how you can identify them like a professional technician. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how the smoke test works and why it's one of the most effective diagnostic tools in automotive repair. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's begin. Understanding engine vacuum. Simple explanation. Before we talk about smoke testing, we need to understand something important. Your engine actually runs on controlled vacuum. When the engine is running, the pistons move downward inside the cylinders. This movement creates low pressure inside the intake manifold. Think of it like a giant suction effect. This vacuum pulls air into the engine so it can mix with fuel and create combustion. But here's the critical detail. Modern engines are designed to pull air only through specific pathways. Those pathways include the air filter, the intake tube, the throttle body, and the intake manifold. Every bit of air entering the engine must be measured by sensors because the engine computer needs that information to calculate the perfect fuel mixture. What happens when there's a vacuum leak? Now imagine this. Somewhere in the engine, there's a small crack in a vacuum hose. That crack allows extra air to sneak into the engine. This air is called unmetered air, and the engine computer doesn't know it exists. That causes the air-fuel mixture to become too lean. In simple terms, too much air, not enough fuel. When that happens, you start seeing problems like rough idling, hesitation when accelerating, misfires, poor fuel economy, and check engine codes like P0171 or P0174. And the worst part? These leaks can be extremely difficult to find with the naked eye. Common places vacuum leaks hide. Vacuum leaks can appear in many places around the engine. Some of the most common areas include vacuum hoses. Rubber hoses become brittle over time because of engine heat. Eventually, they crack. Even a tiny split can cause a noticeable vacuum leak. Intake manifold gasket. The gasket sealing the intake manifold can wear out. When it does, air leaks into the engine from the side. PCV system. The PCV valve and hoses often develop leaks, and because they connect directly to the intake manifold, they can cause serious vacuum problems. Brake booster line. The brake booster uses engine vacuum. If the hose leaks, the engine can run poorly, and sometimes the brake pedal may even feel harder than normal. Throttle body gasket. Air can leak between the throttle body and intake manifold. This is less common, but it happens. Now here's the challenge. Many of these leaks are hidden under the intake manifold or behind other components, so visually spotting them can be extremely difficult. That's where the smoke test becomes incredibly powerful. What is a smoke test? A smoke test is exactly what it sounds like. Mechanics use a special machine that pumps harmless smoke into the engine's vacuum system. Then they watch carefully to see where the smoke escapes, because wherever smoke escapes, that's where the leak is. It's like filling a balloon with smoke. If there's a hole, the smoke will come out immediately. This makes the leak impossible to hide. The science behind smoke testing. The smoke used in these machines is not ordinary smoke. It's a safe, mineral-based vapor created by heating special oil inside the machine. The smoke has two important properties. First, it's highly visible. Second, it travels through even the smallest openings. This means even microscopic vacuum leaks become obvious. And that's why smoke testing is considered one of the most accurate leak detection methods in automotive diagnostics. Equipment used for a smoke test. Professional mechanics typically use a machine designed specifically for automotive testing. These machines include a smoke generator, an air pressure regulator, hoses, and adapters. The pressure used is very low, usually around 1 to 2 psi. That's important because high pressure could damage sensors or seals. But interestingly, some DIY mechanics create their own smoke testers using things like small air pumps, mineral oil, and heating elements. However, professional machines are far more controlled and reliable. If you are liking the video so far, kindly comment, like, and share this video. Step by step, how the smoke test works. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Turn off the engine. The engine must be off before starting the test. This ensures smoke doesn't get sucked directly into the combustion chambers. Step 2. Block the air intake. The intake system must be sealed. This prevents smoke from escaping through normal airflow paths. Technicians usually block the air filter opening or the throttle body. Step 3. Connect the smoke machine. The smoke machine hose was connected to a vacuum port. Common connection points include brake booster vacuum line, evap system port, intake manifold port. Step 4. Introduce the smoke. Once connected, the machine slowly pushes smoke into the system. The intake manifold, hoses, and vacuum lines begin to fill with smoke. Step 5. Watch carefully. Now comes the interesting part. Technicians carefully inspect the engine. Anywhere smoke escapes indicates a leak. You might see smoke coming from a cracked hose, a loose fitting, a gasket seam, a plastic connector. Sometimes the smoke leaks from places you would never expect. Real-world example. Let's imagine a real scenario. A driver complains about rough idle, poor fuel economy, check engine light. They've already replaced spark plugs, ignition coils, oxygen sensors, but the problem remains. A mechanic performs a smoke test. Within seconds, smoke begins leaking from a tiny crack in the PCV hose hidden behind the intake manifold. That tiny crack was allowing extra air into the engine. Once the hose was replaced, the engine ran perfectly again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button so more people can learn these powerful car diagnostics tips. And if you enjoy learning how cars really work, subscribe to the channel because we break down complex automotive problems into simple explanations anyone can understand. Also, check out our next video where we explain how to diagnose a clogged fuel filter in minutes. Trust me, it's another hidden issue that can make your car feel slow, rough, and inefficient. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.